In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a backup from Hostinger step by step so you can save a copy of your website files quickly and safely. Whether you want to keep a backup for peace of mind, move your site to another hosting provider, or just make sure you have a restore point before making changes, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple way. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll want to go to the website section and then open the dashboard for the website you want to back up. This is where Hostinger keeps all the main management tools for your site, including files, performance, and backup options. After you're on the correct website dashboard, look for the file section and click on Backups. This is the area where Hostinger stores backup related tools, and it's the place you need to access if you want to download a copy of your website data. Once the backups page opens, you should see options related to restoring and downloading your website. Now click Restore and Download. This is the step that opens the available backup actions and lets you continue towards saving a copy locally. Depending on your account or website setup, Hostinger may show different backup options, so take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right site before you proceed. Next, click Download Website. This tells Hostinger that you want to download a backup of your site files rather than just previewing or restoring them. In some cases, the backup may take a little time to generate, especially if your website is large or contains lots of images, plugins, or pages. So if you don't see the file instantly, give it a few moments to process. Once the download is ready, save it to a safe location on your computer, external drive, or cloud storage. I always recommend keeping your backup somewhere easy to find, because if you ever need to restore your website, you'll want quick access to that file. Also, remember that downloading a backup is one of the smartest habits you can build as a website owner because it protects you before updates, redesigns, plugin changes, or troubleshooting. If something goes wrong, you'll be glad you have a copy ready to use. And that's it. You've now learned how to download a backup from Hostinger in just a few steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.